You walk down the cleaning aisle at a big box store or scroll through online retailers, and two names absolutely dominate the landscape: Hoover and Bissell. These two companies have spent the last decade quietly evolving in completely different directions. They are no longer just making generic floor sweepers that do a little bit of everything. Let me explain exactly how Hoover and Bissell stack up against each other right now, category by category, so you can spend your money on the machine that actually solves your problem. The big picture brand focus. Let us start by looking at the DNA of these two brands today. Bissell is the undisputed champion of the pet owner demographic. If you have dogs, cats, or any creature that sheds, tracks mud, or occasionally misses the litter box, Bissell has engineered their entire product lineup specifically for you. They have invested heavily in things like tangle-free brush rolls, rubberized pet hair bristles, and odor-eliminating filters. They know their target audience intimately. Their machines are built to handle the sticky, hairy, unpredictable chaos that comes with animals. Hoover takes a completely different path as the legacy brand for traditional, heavy-duty carpet cleaning. When you hear the name Hoover, you probably think of a massive motor ripping dirt out of a thick rug, and that is exactly where they still excel today. Their designs prioritize raw suction power, massive dust bins, and straightforward usability for everyday household messes. They are not trying to be the quirky, highly specialized pet brand. They want to be the machine you pull out when your high-traffic living room carpet looks dull and you need to bring it back to life. Wet and dry floor washers, the two-in-one market. The battleground has really shifted to hard floors lately, specifically the machines that vacuum and mop at the exact same time. Bissell absolutely exploded this category with the Crosswave line. The reason the Crosswave is a massive draw is because it genuinely transitions between washing hard floors and dry vacuuming area rugs without making you switch out the machine or the roller. You can suck up a bowl of spilled cereal and milk in the kitchen and then roll right onto a low-pile living room rug to pick up dry dirt. It is a true multi-surface tool, which is why busy parents and pet owners love it. Hoover approaches this category strictly as the specialist. Their Floor-Made and Streamline series are fantastic for hard floors. They utilize dedicated rotating scrubbers and incredibly strong extraction to get a deep clean on tile, vinyl, and sealed hardwood. However, Hoover treats these machines purely as hard floor washers. They do not typically double as dry vacuums for your area rugs. If you try to use a Hoover hard floor cleaner like a regular vacuum on a rug, you are going to be severely disappointed. Hoover assumes you already own a dedicated vacuum for your rugs and carpets. So if you want ultimate versatility and a single machine to rule them all, Bissell takes the win. Upright carpet cleaners and shampooers. This is the heavyweight division. Both brands make excellent upright carpet shampooers, but their philosophies are totally different. Bissell models, particularly the Revolution Hydro Steam, are built to tackle the absolute worst stains you can imagine. They use proprietary heat and steam technology to break up sticky, set-in messes that have been trapped in the fibers for weeks. If your dog gets sick on the white rug, the Bissell is what you want. It is incredibly powerful on tough spots. But there is a catch. Because Bissell packs in all these specialized pet hair traps and steam mechanisms, the machines themselves can sometimes be quite tedious to take apart and clean after a really messy job. Hoover completely flips the script here. The Hoover Power Scrub and Smart Wash lines are universally praised for being ridiculously user-friendly and low maintenance. A major advantage is the Hoover tank system. Many of their top models automatically mix the cleaning solution with water for you. You just pour the soap in one side, water in the other, and the machine figures out the perfect ratio. The Hoover Smart Wash even takes the guesswork out of the trigger. You push it forward to wash the carpet and pull it back to dry the carpet. It is that simple. Even better, they allow you to easily push a button to switch to a water-only rinse mode. Anyone who has ever shampooed a carpet knows that leaving soapy residue behind just attracts more dirt later, so that rinse feature is massive. Portable spot cleaners for emergency messes. We cannot talk about these two brands without addressing the massive market for portable spot cleaners. These are the small, hand-carried machines you use when someone spills wine on the sofa or the dog has an accident on the stairs. Bissell basically invented this modern category with their famous little green machine. It is an absolute cultural phenomenon. Bissell spot cleaners are fantastic because they are compact, easy to store, and they come in a dozen different variations depending on whether you need deep stain removal or just a quick surface wash. Hoover entered this arena a bit later, but they brought heavy artillery with the Clean Slate line. Let me tell you where Hoover takes the lead here. Suction power. The Hoover portable units generally feature larger motors and significantly more extraction power than the standard Bissell little green models. When you are cleaning a couch cushion, extracting as much water as possible is the difference between a dry sofa in 2 hours versus a damp, mildew-smelling sofa tomorrow. The Hoover models also tend to have larger clean and dirty water tanks, meaning you spend less time running back and forth to the sink during a big cleanup.
Stick and lightweight vacuums. When you do not want to lug around a heavy upright, you reach for a cordless stick vacuum. Bissell often utilizes unique floor head designs in this category. You will see V-shaped bases or silicone squeegees meant to funnel debris or grab pet hair on hard floors. Their stick vacuums are really designed as secondary sweepers. They excel at quick surface-level pickups when company is coming over in 5 minutes and you need the dog hair off the kitchen floor. They are light, nimble, and highly focused on bare floor performance. They usually have smaller dustbins because they are not meant to clean an entire 4-bedroom house in one go. Hoover takes a more traditional approach with lines like the one-power system. These machines tend to perform much better when you have to transition from a hard floor up onto a carpet. They usually feature standard edge-to-edge brush rolls and larger dustbins. Instead of feeling like a specialized hard floor sweeper, a Hoover stick vacuum functions a lot more like a primary vacuum that just happens to be cordless. Another huge advantage for Hoover is their battery ecosystem. The one-power batteries can be swapped out and used in their hand vacuums, spot cleaners, and even hard floor washers. The final breakdown on cost and value. Both brands are extremely competitive, sitting firmly in the budget to mid-range tier. You will not pay premium luxury prices for either of them. However, Bissell tends to offer slightly better warranties on their mid-tier products, often giving you 2 to 5 years of coverage. Hoover generally sticks to a standard 1 or 2 year warranty for their comparable models. You also have to consider the cost of maintenance. The specialized pet filters and proprietary cleaning solutions from Bissell can sometimes cost a bit more to replace over the lifespan of the machine. Hoover machines often use more standard filters, and their cleaning solutions are very widely available, keeping the long-term running costs very manageable.